Hi guys, this is Sammy and you're watching TechAwsome. Today we're gonna review a 2-port USB charger by GeekCases. Well, I'll let you know what is GeekCases. So it's a brand for smartphone and gadget accessories, and it is purely Indian, and the product that they make are inspired by design and driven by creativity. Okay, so coming back to the product, right? So actually this is the box of the ZipCube charger, which is wrapped up with a transparent cover to make it safe for you. On the back side of the box, you'll find that it's written that it's 3.4 amps of 2-port charger, which comes with IntelliCharge technology. It's fast, convenient and safe, and it's charged up to 2 devices together, as you already know. And on the bottom side of the box, you find that the manufacturing information, imported and marketed by, and the MRP price, which is written over here, inclusive of all taxes, is $17.99. But if you go right now and click on the link in the description box below, you'll get it for $499 to $529 rupees. That means white model of the charger comes for $499, and the black model of the charger comes for $529 right now on Amazon. I was using another charger by Mivi company, and I am using it for quite long time. That means 4 to 5 months. And what I found is there are so many disadvantages to share with you. Let me just share with you what's on the left side of the box. You will find some additional specs of the product. Let me quickly unbox it for you. One more wrapper is wrapped up to prevent it from the dust or your fingers dust. Okay, and I'll just unwrap it once for you to show how does it look like after the unwrapping. Okay, so you can see there is 2 ports over here, and it's quite looking good actually, with the black and green color. It's IntelliCharge technology, so you don't need to worry about it. So before moving forward, let me just share with you what is the IntelliCharge feature actually, or technology. So IntelliCharge feature detects your device and with specific charging requirements, and increases output to compensate for cable resistance, which is actually a really cool thing actually. Whenever you charge your slow device with this charger, it actually detects the compatibility of your device with this charger, and then it starts its charging process, which is actually a really great thing, which doesn't come on Mivi chargers actually. So actually I'll show you. This is the Mivi charger that I was using, and I am still using for my other purposes. And what is that the normal, it looks stylish, but the thing is, on the ports side, you find that there is no other color mentioned or displayed. But on the GeekCases ZipCube charger, you see that this is black color, and then this is the green color, which is actually looking really nice. And it also comes with 2 colors, that is white and black, so you can get both of the colors on Amazon website, or you can go ahead on GeekCases official website and purchase it over there. You'll get a 10% discount coupon, but the thing is, you won't find that price which is mentioned on Amazon. So if you want, you can go to the Amazon website and buy it right now through the link provided to you by me. And I use I want to share with you that I use several chargers before as Mivi also, but I never found such type of charger like GeekCases ZipCube, because I'm using it for 15 to 20 days and I found that it's really supercharged. IntelliCharge technology actually helps it not to heat up. Okay, so let me get back to the product once again. Okay, so if I truly share insights of the charger by maybe and GeekCases ZipCube, I prefer going with ZipCube, GeekCases ZipCube, because you know it is good. It's actually great in terms of specifications and features, rather than the maybe which gets heat up quickly, and also is only of 2.4 amps. And if you talk about the GeekCases ZipCube, it comes with 3.4 amps charger, and apart from that, it doesn't actually heats up. It actually charges all my devices quickly on any of the low power USBs too. Right now I'm using eyeballs 2.4 amps of USB cable, and it comes for around 249 rupees, but you can go to my online store and buy it from there, and you'll get a 10% instant discount with the coupon code that is tech10, and you'll get it. Okay, and the coupon code is mentioned on the description, in the description box below, and you can click on that link and go ahead with purchase, and you will get it with free delivery. But you have to make sure that you pay online, because you know if you pay online, you will be counted in the surprise cashback option. So what is surprise cashback? Let me just share it with you. So on my website, if you go ahead and purchase anything online by paying online through your credit card, debit card, or net banking, or if you go ahead with the purchase through UPI ID that is mentioned on my in the description box below, if you are lucky, you'll get 100 to 500 rupees cashback on your any of the purchase. This charger is definitely a win-win, and it does not only comes with 3.4 amps port, but its IC chip prevents over voltage, which I already shared with you, overcharging and short circuit when charging the device. So the main advantage out of it is the charger automatically disconnects when the device is fully charged, and the ZipCube is compatible with wide range of devices like smartphones, tablet PCs, all Apple gadgets, MP3s, MP4s, PSP, Bluetooth, and GPS devices. And the best part of it is you can claim the warranty, and if charger stops working, it gets replaced with a new one. That is really a great thing. Okay, and how to claim or register for the warranty is that on the left side of the box you'll find a barcode. You can just scan that barcode and you'll get a 1-year GeekCases warranty or warranty registration. Okay, and if you go to the GeekCases online website, you'll find that it's mentioned it passes through 49, the charger actually passes through 49 production process, 26 safety process, and 72 hours of continuous tests as part of the quality control process, which makes the charger extremely safe and reliable, which is actually a great thing. And overall, I would recommend you to go for it. You can buy it from Amazon, link is in the description box below, and you can buy the USB cables by GeekCases, also the links are in the description box below. And if you want to buy the eyeball USB cable, which I'm using and I'm quite satisfied with it, you can go ahead and purchase that from my store. Anyways, hope you like this unboxing video. If you did, please go ahead and like the video. Let me know how much you like this video. Share your experiences if you already own it, and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And also one more thing to note, that do not forget to click the bell icon to get latest updates of my channel as quick as the ZipCube charger actually. Goodbye, tada, see ya in the next video.